Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. The first big dynamic that really stands out, and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, I assure you, plenty of people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of this. And I bring that up because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have here at that purple line, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very monitored 50-period moving average. And with the price down below, you can see all afternoon long, the price tried to get up above that purple line and just can never quite do it. And then, yes, the price did roll back over. My point being that near-term wise, as far as levels of resistance are concerned on Friday, it's all about that 536 mark, which is the current value of that moving average. So watch that, like I said, from the near-term level of resistance. If the price can get above there, then yeah, at that point, next level of resistance, not until up over 560. But before you start worrying about these levels up in the 560s and 70s, the price first needs to prove itself in the near term. And once again, quote unquote, prove itself, being defined as getting up above that 50-period moving average. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here. Still have 460, which is what I've talked about in past videos. But the one dynamic that I'm curious about going forward is the bulls are working on constructing this nice little upwards trend line here. So keep an eye on that. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below that trend line, that doesn't mean that the overall chart is epically destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, as far as what would make the chart look the best going forward. Now, if the price can maintain above this nice little slow and steady trend line, that would be a great sign of power. But again, if the price doesn't hold above it, not the end of the world, because again, you still have 460 down there as that next level of support. So one more day left this week. Let's see how it plays out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.